Hello everyone. Today's topic is about workability of concrete by slump contest with diagrammatic representation. Workability of concrete by slump contest. Reference Indian Standard 1199 Part 2 First Revision 2018 Fresh Concrete Methods of Sampling, Testing and Analysis. Part 2 Determination of Consistency of Fresh Concrete. The slump test measures the consistency of concrete to ensure its quality and strength. Slump cone apparatus. The slump cone apparatus, along with a tamping rod, 16 mm in diameter and 600 mm length, having circular cross section, ruler scoop, etc., conforming to Indian Standard 73201974, 4th revision, reaffirmed 2018. Specifications for concrete slump test apparatus. The slump cone apparatus for conducting the slump test essentially consists of metallic mold in the form of frustum having internal dimensions: bottom diameter 200 mm, top diameter 100 mm, height 300 mm, thickness of mold 1.6 mm. Apparatus measurement as shown. The internal surface of the mold shall be thoroughly cleaned and free from superfluous moisture and any set concrete before commencing the test. The mold shall be placed on a smooth, horizontal, rigid, non-absorbent surface. Carefully leveled metal plate. The mold is being firmly held in a place while it is being filled. After obtaining the sample, immediately fill the mold in 3 layers, each approximately 1/3 of height of mold when compacted. During filling, clamp or hold the mold firmly in a place by standing on 2 foot pieces. Tamp each layer with 25 strokes by the tamping rod. Diagrammatic representation of slump frustum cone. Tamp second layer and top layer throughout its depth so that the strokes just penetrate into the underlying layers. In filling and tamping the top layer, heap the concrete above the mold before the tamping is started. The bottom layer shall be tamped throughout its depth. After the top layer has been tamped, the concrete shall be strike off, level with the trowel or the tamping rod so that the mold is exactly filled. Diagrammatic representation of measuring slump of concrete. After the top layer has been tamped, strike off the surface of the concrete by means of screeding and rolling motions by the tamping rod. Remove spilled concrete from the base plate and surface. The mold shall be removed from the concrete by raising it slowly and carefully in a vertical direction. The dimensions are in millimeters as per Indian Standard Code 1199 2018 Part 2. After filling the mold by 3 layers, the mold shall be removed vertically by 5 plus or minus 2 seconds. After removal of mold, determine the slump H by measuring the vertical difference between top of the mold and the displaced original center of the top surface of the specimen in millimeters. Diagrammatic representation of filling of concrete and number of tamping each layer by 25 strokes. The above methods shall be carried out at a place free from vibration or shock. The entire method from the start of filling to the removal of the mold shall be carried out without interruption and shall be completed within 180 seconds. Slump cone test indicates characteristics of concrete in addition to the slump value. Types of concrete slump test results. True slump. If the concrete slumps evenly, it is called true slump. Shear slump. If one half of the cone slides down, it is called shear slump. In case of shear slump, the slump value is measured as the difference in height between the height of the mold and the average value of the subsidence. Stopwatch for workability of concrete by slump cone test.